If you're looking to build a website in 2026 and don't want to pay full price for hosting, this video is exactly what you need. Right now, you can get Bluehost at a discounted price using an active Bluehost coupon deal. And I've already placed the official discount link in the description and in the pinned comment. You don't need to enter any code manually. Just click the link, choose your hosting plan, and the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. So why choose Bluehost? Bluehost is one of the most trusted web hosting providers in the industry and is officially recommended by WordPress. It's known for being beginner-friendly, reliable, and very easy to set up, even if you've never built a website before. With Bluehost, you can launch a WordPress site in minutes, get fast performance, strong uptime, and 24/7 customer support whenever you need help. It works great for blogs, business websites, online portfolios, and even small online stores. Normally, premium hosting can get expensive, especially after renewal. That's why using a Bluehost coupon code is the best way to save money upfront and secure one of the lowest prices available. To claim the deal, simply click the Bluehost coupon link in the description or the pinned comment. Select the plan that fits your needs and the discounted price will show up automatically. So if you want a reliable hosting provider without overpaying, this Bluehost coupon deal is definitely worth checking out. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more hosting deals, website tips, and tech guides.